Hello friends. In this video I will tell you how to install a robot for OlympTrade. First you need to install the Chrome browser extension. You can proceed to installation from the site of the Belobot.ru. To trade a robot in a real account, you need to register using the link from the Belobot.ru site. Let's check the performance of the robot in demo mode. The robot has two modes. First, try manual mode. In this mode, the robot makes a new deal if the previous one turned out to be erroneous. It is necessary to determine the trend and independently conclude the first deal. In order for the robot to close deals automatically, you must check the box, "Do not show this message again." The forecast came true. Since the robot operates in manual mode, we need to conclude a new deal. Let's put the robot in automatic mode. In automatic mode, the robot independently makes new deals. We see that the robot is working. You can turn it off. In the next video we will test the robot in a real account. Subscribe to the channel to follow the new videos. See you.